in a triangle, right angled triangle, this is perpendicular, this is base, and it is hypotenuse. This is theta. Cos theta. Okay. What is Pythagorean theorem? Hypotenuse whole square is equivalent to perpendicular square base square. H square is equivalent to p square plus b square. Hypotenuse is always greater than perpendicular. Hypotenuse is always greater than base. H is greater than P, H is greater than B. This is Pythagorean theorem. Very important theorem. Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem. Hypotenuse whole square is equivalent to base perpendicular square plus base square. Next one, cos theta. Trigonometric ratio. Second trigonometric ratio. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent it is B. Hypotenuse it is H. Adjacent it is B, hypotenuse it is H. Now, same way, H is greater than B. That means B is less than H. Numerator is less than denominator. Sin theta also we got numerator less than denominator. So, it cannot go beyond 1. These values can be in any of the quadrants. So, same thing with respect to cos theta. Minus 1 less than or equivalent to cos theta less than or equivalent to 1. Minus 1 less than or equivalent to cos theta less than or equivalent to 1. Minus 1 less than or equivalent to cos theta less than or equivalent to 1. Same thing. Square. Square function minimum value it will be 0. 0 less than or equivalent to cos square theta less than or equivalent to 0 less than or equivalent to cos square theta less than or equivalent to 1. Similarly, I will write down the same concept, cos power n theta. N can be odd or n can be even. N can be odd, n can be even. Odd value, minimum it is minus, maximum value it is plus 1. Because it is even, minimum it will be 0, maximum it will be plus 1. Maximum it is plus 1. Once you understand sin theta, the same thing holds good for cos theta. Same thing. Only thing you have to know that hypotenuse is greater than this, hypotenuse is greater than this. H is greater than P, H is greater than B. Now, let us solve some problems. Find the minima and maxima. Find minima slash maxima for. Find minima slash maxima for 12 plus cos theta. Next one. 5 cos power 4 theta. 7 cos power 12 theta. Find the minima and maxima for 12 plus cos theta, 5 cos power 4 theta, 7 cos power 12 theta. Easy. Cos theta minimum value minus 1, 12 minus 1, 11. Maximum value 12 plus 1, 13. Minimum 11, maximum 13. Cos power 4 theta, it is even. Even means minimum value 0. 5 into 0, 0. Maximum value 5 into 1, 5. Again it is even. Minimum will be 0. Maximum will be 7. Maximum will be 7.